In this assignment, you're going to get your first look at our electronically graded homework system. Now, our system comes from XYZ Homework. There's a lot of other systems around, My Math Lab, Alex, things like that. And a lot of you are going to end up in courses where these electronically graded homework systems are used to get part or all of your grade for the course. So we want to get you used to looking for some of the things that can go wrong with these systems so that you're aware of it. We want you to be better at using these systems when you finish this course. So I've listed 3 things over here that are kind of main problems that can go wrong with electronically graded homework. Number 1 is the homework system will not accept a correct answer. Let's say the answer to a problem is 3/4 and you enter it as 6/8. Depending on the system, it may or may not accept that. Or maybe it's looking for the decimal 0.75. You don't know. But you might have this, which is the correct answer. The computer's expecting this and it's graded wrong. There's a lot of ways that this can happen. So what we want to do is take a look at this and experiment a little bit and see if you can anticipate when the computer's going to give you a problem with this. Second thing that can happen, the computer accepts a wrong answer. Not much we can do about this, but let's say you work a problem, you get the answer wrong, you input it into the electronic homework system and it grades it as correct. That's also a possibility, not much we can do about that. And the third thing, and maybe the most important thing, is that the computer does not look at your written work. So you don't really know if the way you're working the problem, the way you've written it down, is what an instructor is going to want to see in the class. If you're in a class in which all of the grading is done with the online homework system, then you may never know if the work that you're doing is correct. You get in a class after that and the instructor looks at your work and doesn't like it. So we're going to take a look at this right here later in the course and give you a chance to submit some written work so we can take a look at it and tell you if the form is correct. So the first thing though that you want to think about is this. The computer you may have a correct answer and the computer marks it as wrong. If you've done a problem twice and you're sure you've gotten the correct answer and our homework system, XYZ Homework, is marking it wrong, send us an email. We want to know about it. But the other thing is this. Look, there's no credit for this course, right? So you can experiment a lot in the electronic homework system. Try different forms of answers. See what the computer does. See if it will mark some of them wrong and some of them correct. For instance, you know all 3 of these are equivalent right here. Try each one of them and see what the computer does. So you want to anticipate using an electronic homework system in the next class that you take, and so you want to experiment in this class to see if you can get really good at using that kind of system.